Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Nothing smartphones and how Nothing as a smartphone company growing on a global stage, leaving behind established brands like Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus. Friends, we are living in a world of smartphones where every other established brand is continuously doing experiment with their devices just to get a slight edge in the smartphone market, making their features so complex to understand for a layman. So in next few couple of minutes we will be talking about the Nothing smartphone and how did the company used simplistic features in their smartphones with a unique design to get their phones into the hands of the customers. How they used the unique marketing strategies, how they used the influencers to promote their products, and what kind of future the company is establishing for itself in the market. If we talk about the founder of the company, Carl Pei, he was born in Beijing, China. He was brought up in Sweden. Then after completing his studies, he first worked for Nokia, then for Meizu, then he worked in Oppo, and finally in 2014, he started his own company with a co-founder, OnePlus. 5 successful years went by. Then in 2019, he left OnePlus and announced to establish his own company, Nothing, in 2020. The company launched Nothing Phone 1 as their first product, which received almost a positive response from the customers with little bit of criticism about their camera and user interface. Then the company planned to launch Nothing Phone 2 as their next product and used unique marketing strategies for their promotion. They used to build anticipations in the minds of customers through teasers and strategic leaks. They utilized social media platforms so well to get the wide reach of their products. They also did influencer partnership just to get their products promoted, as influencer was one of the partners. They brought their product with a new transparent design with customizable lights in their smartphones just to make it a new lifestyle choice for the customers. And not only that, their user-centric and simplistic features also appeal to the customers. For example, one-touch on-screen radio, similar AI wallpaper generation in the mid-range smartphone, transparent design, simplistic UI with no ads and bloatwares are some of the unique features of the Nothing smartphones. So Nothing, with its well-crafted products, targeted audience, based marketing strategies, made their presence even in this today's crowded market of the smartphones. They even invited social media tech influencers into their production lineup just to show how they make their products and take care of the customers' demands. So overall, it's a valuable lesson for the established smartphone brands that nothing is impossible if you hit the target differently. So that's all for this video, friends. I will be making more such videos. If you find the video useful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.